Welcome back to the Timberworker channel. This week I'm going to be mounting this table saw into this workbench. Stick around and I'll see you again at the end. We interrupt the usual video for a special report. We have news of makers coming from the US, the UK, all over the world, all meeting up to create Makers Rock. Stick around and let's see what we can all come up with. So there you have it, fantastic news. I'm really chuffed to be part of this collaboration. I've been putting some time into it already. I know there's other people out there who've barely even got started yet, but the number of people that joined in is growing all the time. I think we're just into February now and there's over 30 people involved. Now of those 30 I thought I'd just sort of pick out a few just to sort of highlight for you. I think it would be remiss of me not to mention Matt Haas from Awesome Wood Things, seeing as he's the one who's put this fantastic group of makers together. So that's Matt over at Awesome Wood Things. Then we have Jamie Page, who I've highlighted on this channel before, from JP Woodworks. So he's one of the UK makers who's involved. I'm guessing he's probably going to do something on the scroll saw. That's what he would usually do, but who knows with Jamie, he might throw a router in there, because we all know, Jamie, you're a secret router fan. Then we've got Bill Kolikowski. Apologies if I've pronounced that wrong, Bill. He's got quite a small channel, so I thought that's another good reason to highlight him to you. His channel is called Taste for Code. I've chosen Bill because I think he's also a web developer, which is one of my many little skills. You know, let's say I'm not the best web developer in the world, in the same way that I'm not the best woodworker, but it's one of those things I quite like to get involved in when I can. We have Pam Harris from Highland Boxes. She makes, as the name might suggest, some fantastic bandsaw boxes, but also is got quite a lot of sort of resin videos out there, and a weekly vlog, and all sorts of other good things to catch up on. We have John Clothier from the Woodworking Shed. John's channel is one that I've just started watching recently. I've definitely subscribed to it, and I would suggest that you all do the same. One thing I really like about John's channel is that when you're looking at it, it's got a nice little icon, so you can very quickly see sort of what the video is about, basically. And then finally we have Eloy Escojedo. Again, apologies if I've pronounced that wrong. From Escojedo Woodworking, and Eloy is actually the one who has made this music that you're about to hear. So this is music purely for Makers Rock. So thanks very much for that, Eloy, and over to you.